Multiplication of fractions. We are now going to show some examples on how to multiply fractions. Let's have here an example. We have 3 over 4 multiplied by 8 over 9. To multiply fractions, we will just multiply the numerators, and we will also multiply all the denominators. So in this example, we will multiply here 3 and 8. And for the denominator, we will also multiply the denominators, which is 4 times 9. And then 3 times 8, we have here 24, all over 4 times 9, that is 36. And before you finalize this, you have first to check if it can still be simplified. Now, 24 and 36 can still be simplified because 12 is common between the two. So what we will do is that we will divide 24 divided by 12 and 36 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12, that is equal to 2, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Okay, so 2/3, we cannot simplify this anymore. Therefore now, 2/3 here is our final answer. Let's have another example. We will have here 9 and 1/2 multiplied by 4 and 5 over 6. We cannot multiply this directly because these are mixed numbers. We have whole numbers and fractions. So what we need to do is that we need to convert this first to improper fractions. Let us convert 9 and 1/2. So this will be 9 multiplied by 2 plus 1, and just copy the denominator, which is 2. And then for 5 over 6, this will be 4 multiplied by 6 plus 5 all over 6. So 9 times 2 plus 1, this will give us 19 all over 2 times 29 all over 6. And then we will now multiply all the numerators and multiply also all the denominators. 19 times 29, this will give us 551 all over 2 times 6, that is 12. But we can still simplify this. So to simplify, 551 divided by 12, the whole number here is 45. And then just copy the denominator, which is 12. And for the numerator, that will be 551 minus 45 times 12. This will give us 45, and the denominator is 12. Our numerator is 11. Therefore, 45 and 11 over 12, this is our final answer. Another example, we have here 5 over 12 multiplied by 7 and 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 9. We cannot multiply this directly because we have a mixed number. We need to convert this first to an improper fraction. Let us convert. Again, we have here 5 over 12. And to convert this, we will have 7 multiplied by 4. And add that by the numerator. Just copy the denominator, and then we have here 2 over 9. 5 over 12 times 7 times 4 plus 3, that is 31 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 9. Looking at the fractions, we can see that there are numerators and denominators that we can simplify. We have here 2 and 12. 2 is common between them, so we will divide 2. 2 divided by 2, this will be equal to 1. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. This will now be 5 times 31 times 1 all over 6 times 4 times 9, and we will have here 155 all over 216. We cannot simplify this anymore. Therefore, 155 all over 216 is our final answer.